And so one of the things that Logan and I play is he finds the vegetables and he takes them out, and I try different ways to hide all the vegetables and what he eats. So I'm making spaghetti sauce, which is one of his favorites. So it's an easy way. I can put all these vegetables as long as I just chop them up really, really, really small and dice them and add them to his favorite sauce. Maybe he won't see me this time doing it. And then I can just add them in there. And mushrooms don't have as much of a nutritional quality to it, but it replaces some of the meat, so I don't have to put as much meat in there. It has the same kind of texture. Easy peasy. I just added this spaghetti sauce and I cook it all together, and then I can just hide all this in there and he has no idea. Oh, there he is. Hey, puppies. Run. Yeah, so that's an easy way because I can't give him vitamins all the time. So at least he's getting some spinach, some broccoli, some Brussels sprouts, and he's not going to complain about it.